Why do doctors keep this simple recipe away from the public? Here's how to get rid of bunions completely natural. Do you know what's a bunion? Well, the experts say that a bunion is a bony bump that forms on the joint at the base of your big toe. A bunion forms when your big toe pushes against your next toe, forcing the joint of your big toe to get bigger and stick out. The skin over the bunion might be red and sore. You should also know that wearing tight, narrow shoes might cause bunions or might make them worse. Bunions can also develop as a result of an inherited structural defect, stress on your foot, or a medical condition such as arthritis. Smaller bunions also can develop on the joint of your little toes. Bunions are a real nightmare. It's very difficult to find appropriate shoes. They cause a lot of pain and they don't look good. And unfortunately, older people usually suffer from this ailment, but this doesn't mean that young people are immune. There are many young people who suffer from this both aesthetic and health problem as well. According to the latest statistics, more than 23% of adults in the USA suffer from bunions, and most of these adults are women. Yes, there is a surgical procedure that can fix the problem, but this type of surgery is just a temporary solution. However, traditional medicine can help you get rid of this problem. This is the most important thing for you to remember. For treating a bunion, first you should cleanse your body from salt. Unfortunately, there are natural and non-surgical remedies that can help you with this health problem. These home remedies are very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. First, you should know that if you are consuming foods and drink that contain high amounts of salt and you are feeding your body with salt all the time, then you should know that this is the main reason for this health problem. Well, this means that you need to get rid of the salt, and the best way to do that is to make and drink this natural mixture. What you need to do: first you need to mix 300 ml of water and 1 tablespoon of minced bay leaf. Cook this mixture in an enamel pot for 5 minutes. Then you need to remove it from heat. Put the mixture in a thermos and leave the mixture overnight. The next day you need to strain this mixture and sip small amounts through the day in order to clean your body. Note, you should make a fresh mixture every night and do it for 3 days. Take 1 week break, and after that you need to repeat the procedure for 3 more days. Frequent urinating is a sign that the salt dissolves, and thus your joint pain should disappear.